Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Suciwardana. I am a student of Mathematics Education Study Program at the University of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka. In this opportunity, I want to present the result of the articles that we made under the title Validity and Reliability Self-Esteem Questionnaire using Microsoft Excel and WinSteps. Before we begin, introduce the members of our groups consisting of Okay, first is Olivia Nur Khalifah, second is Jihan Rafifa, and the last me Nurul Suciwardana. And the indicators that will be discussed are first is abstract, second is introduction, third is methods, fourth is results, and the last is conclusions. Okay, first is abstract. Okay guys, self-esteem is a way for us to appreciate and value ourselves wherever we are. This study aims to test the validity and reliability of students in self-esteem. The research method used in this study is quantitative with a total of 109 students. 77 students came from high school to be precise in 11 EPS class and 32 students from vocational high school to be precise in 11 coding class. Researchers used three classes that have been formed in the school, namely 11 EPS 1, 11 EPS 2, and 11 counting class. This study uses a self-esteem questionnaire, which was adopted in other studies where in the questionnaire there are two indicators. The data analysis used in this research is WinStep and Microsoft Excel. The result of the validity calculation using WinStep are not found invalid statement and the reliability calculation is found to be minus 0.48 minus 0.48 for the average value of the respondent and the value of person reliability, which shows a value of 0.91 in saying the consistency of answers from respondents. While the result of the calculation of validity using Microsoft Excel found 22 invalid statements from the 111 existing statements, and for the calculation of the reliability, it resulted in a reliability of 0.999877 and include in the very high category. Okay, and second is introduction. It is important for every teacher to teach students how to respect themselves, or what we can call self-esteem. Self-esteem is a way for us to appreciate and value ourselves wherever we are. Our belief in other people and anything that is a part of our lives can be affected by self-esteem. Positive self-esteem is able to take over our lives because it can give us the strength to believe in whatever will be said without fear or being rejected. Self-esteem is formed for feelings, opinions, and too about yourself. Self-esteem can change depending on how we think. Students who judge themselves with a negative assessment in shaping their personality will have emotional problems in them. And also, students who have characteristic in emphasizing the importance of relationship with peers will often face challenge in facing demands from the surrounding environment. Self-esteem posed by students can be known high or low level by distributing questionnaire to them. The result of the questionnaire that have been obtained can be calculated for validity and reliability. Self-esteem, this is a topic that is of great interest for researchers. So there are various themes related to self-esteem. The research relevant to this research includes research from Aspriani 2020 with the theme self-esteem and student communication ability. This study discussed the effect of students' self-esteem on mathematical communication skills and how it relates. Then the second relevant research is research from Fatima et al. 2020 with the theme self-esteem and body image in students. This study analyzes the relationship between self-esteem and body image of students in 11th class in high school. Then the third relevant research is research from Muslimah and Wahdah with the theme attachment, self-esteem, and need for achievement. This study examines whether there is a relationship between attachment and self-esteem with the need for achievement in madrasah aliyah students. And the last relevant research is research from Happy and Jayanti 2014 with the theme PBL activity, critical thinking, creative thinking, and self-esteem. This study discussed the effectiveness of problem-based learning in terms of mathematical critical thinking skills, mathematical creative thinking skills, and self-esteem, and to compare the effectiveness of problem-based learning and conventional learning in terms of mathematical critical thinking skills, mathematical creative thinking skills, and self-esteem. From several relevant studies found, it can be concluded that there are almost similar results and are related to the validity and reliability of self-esteem. Reliability using Microsoft Excel and WinSteps. So the researcher will test the validity and reliability using Microsoft Excel and WinSteps. This study aims to analyze the validity and reliability of the self-esteem questionnaire by processing data using Microsoft Excel and WinSteps at the high school level. Okay, and the third is methods. Data collection technique used in this study was non-test using a questionnaire as a research instrument. The instrument consists of 111 statements validated by two expert validators, namely lecturers and teachers. After going through the revision process, the instrument was declared eligible for testing. The subject of this study amount to 109 students. 77 students come from high school to be precise in 11 EPS class and 32 students from vocational high school to be precise in 11 accounting class. The sampling technique is based on certain considerations. The researcher cannot create a new class, so the researcher uses three classes that have been formed in the school, namely 11 EPS 1, 11 EPS 2, and 11 accounting class. This instrument was developed to measure student self-esteem. The data collected from the result of the questionnaire distribution were evaluated using the RAS model and Microsoft Excel. The answer choices are based on a Likert scale with two types of answer choice, namely yes or no and always or never. The following are indicators and guidelines for scoring and the instrument. And the following is an attachment to the statement submit to students. Submit to students. Okay, next, a Danish mathematician George Seurat in 1953 has formulated the RAS analytical approach to analyze a series of reading tests. The RAS model is a modern assessment that is able to classify item and person calculation on distribution maps. The data collected from the result of the questionnaire distribution were evaluated using the RAS model and Microsoft Excel. To analyze the RAS model data, the researcher use WinStep software. The data that has been obtained in process using the RAS model in the form of Microsoft Excel to convert raw values into logit interval values. The RAS model is a modern assessment for classifying item and person calculations. The result are in the form of student response based on the distribution of questionnaire in the form of red maps table. After determining the red maps, reliability was calculated using three fit index criteria, namely the reliability of Cronbach's alpha, item and person, and the separation of items and person based on RAS analysis. Next up, outfit mean square value or MNSQ, outfit Z standard value or ZSTD, as well as point measure correlation were used as criteria for assessing the suitability of items and persons. With the following criteria, MNSQ or outfit mean square value range, ZSTD or outfit Z standard value range, so PTMEA CORR or point measure correlation value range. Item fit can indicate that the item functions properly according to the size it should be. But if the item doesn't fit or is misfit, it indicates that the respondent has a misconception about the item. In addition to using the RAS model on the WinStep software, data analysis was performed using Microsoft Excel to calculate the validity and reliability of the result of the questionnaire data distribution to determine the level of criteria for the validity of this instrument. Correlation coefficient with the product moment correlation formula will be used. Furthermore, the correlation coefficient that has been obtained in interpret using the classification of the correlation coefficient or correlation validity according to Guilford. The classification of the validity coefficient is as follows. In this table or third table is validity coefficient and criteria. The results of the validity are then tested for the significance of each item to determine whether or not the validity of each item is known. The formulation of the hypothesis for the significance test is as follows. They are H0 or the validity of each item is meaningless. H1 is the validity of each equation item means. Okay, and the fifth is result. First result is instrument validity with WinStep. On the third table is written about the value of outfit MNSQ, outfit ZSTD, and also PTMEA CORR along with the range of values. One of the three values must be met to get a fit item. In the table above there are numbers in bold. This shows that the items don't meet the criteria stated. Items in number 102 have the criteria they are not appropriate, but at least meet one of the criteria stated in this must be maintained. Then there are 39 items that meet it at least 2 out of 3 the criteria, and the rest are items that match the criteria. Of the all items, there are no items that don't fit. In this study, it can be seen that there are 9 respondents who are not valid in meeting the specified criteria. The rest are valid with at least one criteria being met. The result of the person fit analyzed were 16 respondents who got a fit ZSTD value greater than 2.0, which indicated the items were predictable, while 15 respondents had scored less than 2.0, indicating the items were too predictable, and other respondents were in the range received is minus 2.0, 2.0. And the second is instrument validity with Microsoft Excel. According to Aisyah Sari and Ermawati 2019, the empirical validity of the construct for each item and the whole instrument is calculated using the percent product moment or RXY correlation equation. The result of calculation with this equation are declared valid if the value of RXY more than R table. Okay, the third is instrument reliability with WinStep. In the first part, there is a percent measure which shows a value of minus 0.48 for the average value or mean of the respondent. Second, there is a value of percent reliability which shows a value of 0.91 in saying the consistency of answers from respondent. Third, there is item reliability where this becomes the value of reliability and measures the quality of the item which shows the number 0.94. Finally, there is a Cronbach alpha value which shows the number 0.92. This is a benchmark for the reliability of the interaction between respondents and items in the study. And the fourth or the last is instrument reliability with Microsoft Excel. The reliability equality test is calculated utilizing the Cronbach alpha formula, namely R11. An instrument is said to be reliable if the value of R11 more than R table, based on the result of reliability calculations carried out in Microsoft Excel. It produces a reliability of 0.999877 and is included in the very high category. It is known that the reliability quality of the instrument is classified as exceptionally tall. The result can be said that the instrument developed is said to be reliable. Okay, and the last is conclusion. And conclusion is based on the validity analysis using WinStep on fit items, there are no invalid items, while in person fit there are 9 respondents who are not valid in meeting the specified criteria or the data is not eligible, causing the data to be misfit. Likewise, with the validity checks carried out in Microsoft Excel, from 111 statements, there are 22 statements they are not valid. Okay, maybe enough from me. And last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.